A pre-owned 2019 Dodge Charger RT. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and a transmission. This Dodge has less than 98,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.